Hello, Core Nation. It's Rick Ruby down in Charlotte. It is June 27th. I can't imagine June is almost over. I will tell you, I was hoping for a better month, but it's not spectacular. Looks like I'll be about 240 closings, down from 265. So it seems like I dropped about 10% from June to May. So what do we got to do? We got to build more relationships. How do we build more relationships? We got to get out and see more people. We got to call more people. Got to do more cards. Got to do more gifting. So as you know, July 1st is the start of our boot camp in the core. We are going to work 100 of our realtors, and if we're a realtor, we're going to work 100 of our business people, our local VIPs. We're going to call them 4 times. We're going to see them twice. We're going to send them 2 cards and send them 2 really thoughtful gifts. Now I am fired up. I am going to make a lot of phone calls today. Today I have 22 scheduled calls. And I have 1 Zoom meeting with 25 people on it. So that's 45 people I interact with today. I got about 13 cards on my desk I gotta send out. So I'm gonna have a very busy day. I'm gonna try and take care of people all day long and make sure everybody is encouraged and fired up to build lots of relationships so they can continue to make lots of money. I will not let the last 2 years determine what my career looks like or yours. We are going to go out and rebuild ourselves through this tough market. Stay the course, do the work. Rick Ruby, out.